Whether you're the owner of a new business or an established company, you may be confronted with the challenge of equipment financing. Should you purchase this new equipment or get a business loan? Better yet, should you apply for equipment lease financing? And which type of business equipments are right for your business? Today in this video, we are sharing how to find right business equipment in your business. Small business owners need to make sure that the equipment they are buying is worry-free and will not break down. If a certain piece of equipment is expected to break down a lot, and therefore you buy this service contract, then perhaps you should look into buying a piece of equipment that doesn't break, one which is bulletproof. Next, you should consider maintaining the equipment yourself, and perhaps having one of your employees go through the training or setting up the routine maintenance schedule. Do you think that you will require equipment for a long time? If the answer to this is yes, it is advisable that you negotiate purchase alternative that will ensure that some of these lease payments go to the acquisition account. As a beginner, you must need to follow 10 tips before selecting business equipment for your business. Number 1, are funds available, or will you have the finance to purchase? Otherwise, rent business equipment. Number 2, production output. This is also one of the things to consider when buying industrial equipment. Number 3, do you need new equipment or is used appropriate for your needs? Number 4, if you want to buy new equipment, then when is the most appropriate and cost-effective source of funding? Number 5, do you need to purchase this or will it be more cost-effective to lease or rent? Number 6, take the time to research the quality of the equipment you plan on purchasing. Number 7, consider used or refurbished equipment. Make sure the manufacturer's support, spare parts, and accessories are still available. Number 8, are you purchasing from the best vendor? Does this equipment meet safety standards? Number 9, assess your needs. First, review your entire production process, set your goals, and realistically analyze your ability to reach them. And number 10, rent equipment is great for emergency situations when buying your own tools takes time. Equipment leasing is one of the most reliable ways of acquiring business equipment today. Recent surveys in the United States found that about 80% of new businesses obtain some of their equipment through leasing. New businesses are always faced with the problem of finances because their flow of income is still low. Leasing is a better alternative to buying equipment because it enables your business to utilize capital available for cash flow. If you are running a business or want to start a new one, then you need to write a business plan to get everything controlled in your business. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel to get future videos.